Here in the activity centers, there's lots of fun things to do in the spare times. And here we have Fernando and André. Where are you from?
We are from Brazil.
Do you like it here in Ishøy?
Yeah, very much.
How did your matches go so far?
Yeah, it's very nice.
And your matches?
We just done one match, but we lost.
You lost.
Yeah.
So how do you spend your spare time between the matches?
Oh, we were in our room sleeping because we're going to have another match in the afternoon.
And playing video games.
What are you playing here?
FIFA.
And what's that?
It's
a
soccer game.
game.
Hello there! Hi, what are you eating?
Is
Is?
ice cream.
Where are you from?
Norway.
Norway. Do you like it here in Ishøy?
Ja, veldig.
Are you playing football today?
Yes.
And did you win or did you lose?
Yes, we win.
What is your job here in the tournament?
In the tournament, I'm here to stay with the football and have a little activities. Around tomorrow, we have some dart where you shoot a ball and there's some prizes. And it's all free, so people can come and play a little tennis and football. And so we're just going around and have a good time here.
Vi gutta fra Asker. Ingen kødder med oss.